ServiceM8 is a popular software tool for service-based businesses. But before you make the decision to buy, there are 7 key things you need to know. If you're considering it for your business, stick around, because I'll break down the features that might make or break your decision. Plus, I'll compare it to competitors, so you'll know if it really fits your needs. First off, ServiceM8 is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Unlike other field service management tools like Jobber or Housecall Pro, ServiceM8 has a clean, intuitive interface that lets you get started quickly with minimal learning curve. This is particularly useful if you're a small business or a team without a lot of technical expertise. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. There's plenty of power behind the scenes. Next, ServiceM8 shines in automating administrative tasks. One of its standout features is the ability to create jobs on the fly and assign them to team members with automatic notifications sent to clients and staff. It's very similar to what you'd see in other platforms, but what sets it apart is its integration with other tools like QuickBooks and Xero for seamless invoicing and financial tracking. This integration can save you hours of work, especially when compared to competitors that may require additional plugins or third-party apps to do the same. The third thing you need to know is about its mobile capabilities. ServiceM8 is designed with mobile first in mind, meaning your field staff will have all the tools they need right in their pockets. From scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payment collection, everything is accessible via the app. While this feature is something you'll see in other tools like Jobber, ServiceM8's app tends to have a smoother, more user-friendly experience, making it easier for technicians to get their work done without unnecessary complexity. Next, the reporting and analytics options are solid, but not as deep as some of its competitors. You'll get the basics like job completion stats, revenue tracking, and client details, which is great for small to medium-sized businesses. However, if you're looking for advanced data analytics or customizable reporting, you might find other tools like Housecall Pro offering more robust features. Still, for many businesses, the built-in reports in ServiceM8 will suffice. The fifth thing to know is about pricing. ServiceM8's pricing structure is based on the number of users and features you need, which gives flexibility to businesses of different sizes. However, compared to other tools, ServiceM8's pricing can feel a bit steep for businesses that only need basic features. It's not as cheap as some alternatives like Housecall Pro, but if you're looking for something easy to use and don't mind paying a little more for that, it might be worth it. Another thing to consider is its customer support. ServiceM8 offers excellent support via chat, email, and phone, with a vast knowledge base to help guide you through any issues. While some competitors may offer more extensive training or community support, ServiceM8's team is known for being responsive and helpful. Plus, they have a user community where you can find answers to most questions. The seventh and final point is about scalability. ServiceM8 works great for small teams, but as your business grows, you might start to outgrow its basic features. It does offer advanced tools for larger businesses, like custom forms and multi-location capabilities, but if you plan to scale rapidly or need more complex automation, you may find that competitors like Jobber or Tradify offer more scalable solutions at a similar price point. So if you're thinking about buying ServiceM8, it's definitely worth trying out. You can test the software completely free by clicking the first link in the description. This way, you can explore the features firsthand and see if it's the right fit for your business. And if you want to get the best trial and exclusive benefits, make sure you use the link below. Trust me, this is one software that could save you a lot of time and help streamline your business processes.